We're super excited. Today we are starting our first episode, what we built at Needle. For today's episode we prepared a really cool skill I created just today, which I wanted to show Jan. Simple sales skill that create a discovery slide for new clients. Let's dive into it. And Jan, shoot all the questions you have. This is the first time Jan is seeing it. What we're seeing here now is actually the product we're working on currently. So it's a proactive sales agent that lives in Slack. Now let's just say, what is our dream customer, Jan?
Maybe some company like Personia.
Okay, build a slide deck for Personio. And let's see what the agent does.
I mean, ideally the agent should also query the use cases that they are most likely interested in, but currently we don't know which use cases they would be likely most interested in.
Yeah, that's a good question.
So this is very helpful after the first disco call where they discussed the first problems and use cases, and we could query from the call transcript the actual use case.
Very good comment. Right now we actually, like how it's like set up in the background is we have one default template, and then we actually gonna now enrich Personio with Apollo. We're also going to pull the logo, we're going to pull the description of the company, and then we're also going to infer based on the company already first use cases. But then the AI checks like if it makes sense. And if it doesn't make sense, then we just fall back on like our core use cases here. Okay, let's see what it does on it.
Well, outside needles 20 to 200 ICT.
Okay, that's interesting. Yeah.
But Personio would be still the dream kind of company to work with, you know.
For sure, for sure. Hey, now something happened here. Here's the deck, ready to push. Now it says, now it gave me kind of the key data points, which I'm quickly gonna check now. Yes, let's push it. So now the final results are live and serving, so let's have a look into it now. So what you can see here, it fetched the right logo. Yeah, and we can just go quickly through it, right? Pipeline hygiene, pre-call briefs. Here just a little demo, what it does.
It assumes that Personio uses Salesforce.
Yeah, it also did an assumption, yeah, like this is for sure something.
And Gong also, likely true.
Yeah, like that is a good point. We need some validation. There's also some data vendors that actually track which tools they're using. They get data from like LinkedIn job post, where there's job description, then it infers on what tools they're already using. This is for sure also something to improve. And yeah,
well, it's already solid. I think this is very
it's a good start, right? And yeah, it just makes the sales process way easier and also way more personalized, right? That is not just a deck that is just for everyone, but really something that you can also send after the sales call. Yeah.
Man, that's so sick. Let me use it right away in my next call in half an hour from now.
Nice, amazing, man. Okay, see you next week.
See you guys.